बता दे तू किस पे आ गया है, वो कौन है जो आगे ख्वाबों पे छा गया है। ऐ दिल मुझे बता दे तू किस पे आ गया है, वो कौन है जो आगे ख्वाबों पे छा गया है।
Today in the media conference with Lal Goyal, which is brought to you by V4 News, Global TV, V4 Stream, Malnadu TV, News Gaon Se, Samvad Sarokar News, Organ Donation India Foundation and Gyan. Our endeavor is to bring to you every day a current topic. But as promised to you earlier, every week, Sunday we have kept for the entertainment, or rather I will say edutainment. And today we are going to have a program Sada Bahar Nagme or Evergreen Songs. Today's guest singer is Miss Rohini Prabhunandan. Miss Prabhunandan is the renowned theme-based singer. She is well known in the music circle as a versatile singer. She is a trained Carnatic classical singer and also lends her voice for Bharatnatyam dancers. She sings Bhaugeets and is an auditioned artist of AIR and Doordarshan. She is very passionate about singing retro film songs in different languages. Her annual Women's Day event, which she is doing from the past 10 years, is always eagerly awaited, where she gives tribute to the female singers of our film industry. She has done numerous theme-based programs. Her latest shows of Hindi songs, Geetanjali, where she paid tribute to the legendary singers of Bollywood, starting from Shamshad Begum, Mubarak Begum, and others, to Shreya Ghoshal and Nena Pina Dhoni, where she sang Kannada songs, were a great success and were very well received. She recently traveled to Dubai with Mr. Rajan of the legendary Rajan Nagendra Music Director Duo and won critical acclaim for her singing. She prides a number of students learning classical music from her as well. Miss Rohini's specialty is the diverse range of songs that she beautifully renders. Welcome, Miss Rohini Prabhunandan, to our show.
Thank you, sir.
Miss Rohini Prabhunandan, as the customs, now you can start. The floor is with you. So, which song? The first is from, it's a prayer, Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Singer is legend Bharat Ratna Lata Mangeshkar ji. Film is Satyam Shivam Sundaram, which was released in 1978. Lyrics, Narendra Sharma ji, and music director Lakshmikant Pyarelal. Miss Rohini ji.
Thank you, sir. I would want to thank Mr. Lal Goyal Saab, Chairman, Organ Donation India Foundation, and Gyan, the Chief Editor, and Global TV. Thank you very much, sir, for giving me this opportunity to entertain you all. I would also like to thank my friend Mr. Ravi Sharma also. So the first song here goes for you by none other than the legend Lata ji. जागो उठ कर देखो, जीवन जो तो जागर है। सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, सुंदरम सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, सुंदरम सुंदरम सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, सत्यम शिवम रामावध में, काशी में शिव कान्हा वृंदावन में। दया करो प्रभु देखो इनको, दया करो प्रभु देखो इनको, हर घर के आंगन में। राधा मोहन शरणम, सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम,
बहुत 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 सुरीला, बहुत खूब रोहिणी जी, And we are receiving the
sir.
messages continuously. I started, so I will just read. Otherwise, Virinda Wagh ji says, Namaste Goyal ji, Namaskar Rohini Avre, Govind Babu K, hi Rohini, Ravi Menon, happy singing Rohini, Virinda Wagh, happy Kannada Rajyotsav to all. Divyapal Sharma, I'm watching the program. Hemlata Bhandari, good morning. Divyapal Sharma, welcome Rohini ji for today's program. Mathur Nada Kurmara, all the best Rohini. Balaji GA, Namaste Rohini Madam, all the best. Mohan Babu Rao, hi Rohini. Sheshanshi Parth Sarthi, hello Rohini. Virinda Wagh, welcome Rohini Avre. Divyapal Sharma, Ravi ji, thanks to bringing Rohini ji to this program. Rakshit, V4 News, nice singing. Paul Global TV, yes. Divyapal Sharma, very nice start of the day. Virinda Wagh, what beginning, divine, heavenly indeed. Mohan Babu Rao, awesome start to the show. Ravi Sharma, wow, awesome. Rohini ma'am. Jayanti Shankar, Rohini, melodious, beginning, lovely. Pandit Resort, very nice. Ravi Sharma, good morning, Goyal Saab and Divyapal Bhai Saab. Mamta Shankar, hi Rohini, very nice. Ravi Sharma, good morning. Vrinda ji, Vrinda Wagh, good morning ji. Balaji, melodious, very nice. Hemlata Bhandari, wonderful song and sung beautifully. Melodious voice. Vrinda Wagh, brilliantly done. Ramamurthy, what a lovely beginning, Rohini. Padmaya Ba, clapped. Balaji, GA, melodious, very nice. Hemlata Bhandari, wonderful song and sung beautifully. Melodious voice. Vrinda Wagh, brilliantly done. Thank you for sending all the messages. Now we are going to move for the next song, and the next song is Saiya Dil Mein Aana Re. The singer is legend again, Shamshad Begum ji. Film Bahar, which was released in 1951. Lyrics Rajendra Krishna ji, and music director S.D. Burman ji.
सैया दिल में आना रे, आके फिर न जाना रे, ओ आके फिर न जाना रे, छम छमा छम छम, राजा बन के आना रे, मोहे लेके जाना रे, ओ मोहे लेके जाना रे, छम छमा छम छम। चांदनी रात होगी, तारों की बारात होगी, चांदनी रात होगी, तारों की बारात होगी, पहले पहले प्यार की, पहली पहली बात होगी, पहले पहले प्यार की, पहली पहली बात होगी, खुशी खुशी गाएंगे हम गीत सुहाना रे, सैया दिल में आना रे, आके साथ न जाना रे, वो आके फिर न जाना रे, छम छमा छम छम। थोड़ी थोड़ी छेड़ होगी, थोड़ा थोड़ा प्यार होगा, थोड़ी थोड़ी छेड़ होगी, थोड़ा थोड़ा प्यार होगा, कभी इकरार होगा, कभी इनकार होगा, कभी इकरार होगा, कभी इनकार होगा, तेरा माना ना मेरा रूठ जाना रे, सैया दिल में आना रे, आके फिर न जाना रे, आके फिर न जाना रे, छम छमा छम छम। तुम मेरे पास होगे, गम बड़ी दूर होगा, तुम मेरे पास होगे, गम बड़ी दूर होगा, कहता है जिया मेरा होगा जरूर होगा, कहता है जिया मेरा होगा जरूर होगा, लाना रे लाना तशरीफ लाना रे, सैया दिल में आना रे, आके फिर ना जाना रे, ओ आके फिर ना जाना रे। छम छमा छम छम राजा बन के आना रे, मोहे लेके जाना रे, ओ मोहे लेके जाना रे। छम छमा छम छम।
बहुत बहुत बढ़िया। Messages are pouring in. Ravi Menon, कमाल शुरुआत. गोविंद बाबू के awesome first song. KN Lakshmi Pachi, great singing by Rohini. Padmaja Ba, she has sent one. I can't read emoji. Shekhar V, lovely Rohini. Raghuram N, nice, good selection of first song. Paul, no, KN Lakshmi Pachi, great singing by Rohini. Padmaja Ba, again emoji. Shekhar V, lovely Rohini. Raghu Ram N, nice, good selection of first song. KN Lakshmi Pachi, hope to see you among best singers list in the world soon. Pandit Resort, beautifully sung. Virendavag, awesome song pick. Dipal Sharma, what a good voice. Rohini ji, too good. I like your singing. Balaji GA, nice song selection, beautifully rendered. Murlidhar C, Rohini Gana, Dil Mein Aaya. Shekhar V, classic Rohini. Mohan Babu Rao, lovely rendition. Deepak Goyal, very nice singing with old songs. Virendra Vag, amazing. Chitra Divakar, superb Rohini. I missed Pehlas Gana. Himlata Bhandari, bahut khoob. Ravi Menon, outstanding. Thanks for keeping these evergreen songs evergreen. Ramesh Babu, well sung. Sheshasai Path Shatri, superb. So we are receiving the messages. Whoever is watching, if you send the messages, it encourages the singer immensely. Now the next song is Ajeeb Dastan Hai Ye. Singer is again legendary Bharat Ratna Lata Mangeshkar ji. Film Dil Apna aur Preet Parai. The film was released in 1960. Lyrics by legend Shailendra ji and music director Shankar Jaikishan. Yes, please. Very nice. Messages pouring in again, and I'm reading Satish Kulkarni. Good song, Uma Pamulapati. Lovely songs and beautiful rendition. Radha P. Beautiful singing. Rohini. Jayanti Shankar. Beautiful song and singing. K.N. Lakshmi Pati. Missed listening to your songs during my childhood days. Mathur Nanda Kumar, melodious as always. Dipal Sharma, very nice choice of the song and beautiful singing. Ravi Sharma, kya kehna, ma'am, super shandar. Mayur Shah from Oman, any words will fall short. So just saying awesome in all aspects. Mamta Shankar, so beautiful. Shobha Bhatt, all-time favorite. Hari Krishna Shetty, very good song and singing. Jayanti Shankar, enjoying our Sunday morning. Rohini, listening to your beautiful voice. Balaji ji, a nice singing, madam. Mayur Shah, awesome in all aspects. Glad you took off your glasses. Mohan Babu Rao, lovely and apt choice of melodious songs. Savita Sitaram, lovely song and beautifully sung. And Virinda Wag, fabulously done. Himlata Bhandari, lovely tone in your voice with great power and great control throughout. Now the next song which she is going to sing is a duet song, Wo Jab Yaad Aaye. Singers are Mohammad Rafi ji and Lata Mangeshkar ji, and the film was Paras Money, which was released in 1963. Lyrics Asad Bhopali and music director Lakshmikant Pyarelal.
So thank you. I think everybody will be wondering how come a duet when she's sitting alone here. So making use of the technology, I have an inbuilt male voice in my track, and I'm very much thankful to my friend Ravi Menon for this. Ravi Menon is a founder of the Menon Group, a software company in the US. He's based in Seattle, and this company is almost there from 30 years. So I thank him from the bottom of my heart. He's my schoolmate from Kendriya Vidyalaya Malleshwaram. Thank you, Ravi, for this track.
वो जब याद आए, बहुत याद आए, वो जब याद आए, बहुत याद आए, तो मैं जिंदगी के अंधेरे में हमने चरागे मोहब्बत जलाए बुझाए, वो जब याद आए, बहुत याद आए। आहटे जागुनी रास्ते हंस दिए, हम कर दिल उठे हम किसी के लिए, कई बार ऐसा भी धोखा हुआ है, चले आ रहे हैं वो नजरें झुकाए, वो जब याद आए, बहुत याद आए,
वो जब याद आए, बहुत याद आए, हमें जिंदगी के अंधेरे में हमने चरागे मोहब्बत जलाए बुझाए, वो जब याद आए,
खोजता क्या हुए, जिंदगी खो गई।
शम्मा जलती रही, रोशनी खो गई।
बहुत कोशिशें की मगर दिल न बहला, कई साज छेड़े कई गीत गाए, वो जब याद आए, बहुत याद आए, वो जब याद आए, बहुत याद आए।
Very nice. And thank you to Mr. Ravi Menon also. And you are great. So, and now we are receiving the messages. I will just read it. Padmija Ba, awesome, melodious as always. KM Associates Kannan, congrats. Rohini, nice singing. Balkrishna ji, zilliant rendition. Padmija, wow, one of my favorite. Ravi Sharma, kya baat, ma'am. Vinda Wag, awesome singer. Ravi ji's. I'm getting the messages, so it's all Ravi ji sing well लगता है. Devpal Sharma, very nice old song, वो जब याद आए. Govind Babu, yes, Ravi is a great singer. Balaji ji, my favorite song, nice singing by both. Balkrishna ji, very nice melodious technology. Virinda Wag, a lovely song again. Shobha Bhatt, superb singing. Rohini, Mohan Babu Rao, beautiful singing by Ravi and Rohini. Ravi Sharma, ओ विरंदा जी, आपका चेला और शागिर्द कमजोर कैसे हो सकता है. ममता शंकर, excellent. जयंती शंकर, great listening to you sing. Ravi Menon brings back school days. KL Lakshmi Pati, happy to hear Ravi singing as always. He is a class above the rest. Raghuram, all songs are nice. Since it is Kannada Rajyotsava, let her sing a nice Kannada song. Uma Pamulapati, wow, Ravi Menon and you, Vrinda Wag, Ravi ji, Hemlata, awesome. Satish Kulkarni, what a voice. Ravi, great together. Vindavag, well done by you both. Avinash Bhargav, bahut khoob. Ravi ji. Rama Murthy, very nice duet. Rohini, nice singing. Ravi Menon with Rohini. Hemlata Bandari, great melody, very nice. Remarkable duet. Ravi Shankar, always nice to hear. Lata ji through Rohini. Ravi Menon, thanks Rohini, and thanks to all friends for acknowledging my singing. So Ravi Menon is also watching our show, sitting in USA. Thank you, Ravi ji. And really, it was nice to hear this duet in your voice as well as Rohini ji's voice. Hemlata B, please sing a Kannada song. Shekhar B, Ravi and Rohini, great singing. KL Lakshmipati, request for one Kannada song on this Rajyotsav Day. Thanks. Yes, I think Rohini ji, everybody is asking to sing a Kannada song because today we are celebrating Kannada Rajyotsav in Karnataka. So please sing a Kannada song, Rohini ji.
Yes, sir. So, yes, ಒಂದು ಕನ್ನಡ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಾಂಗ್. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ English. This song is written by none other than our Varakavi, whom we call as Dhara Bendre, Dattatreya Ramchandra Bendre avaru. 1964 he won the Gyanpith Award. He is also a Padma Shri awardee. This song, this poem of his is taken in a movie called Belli Moda. Belli Moda, this is also again a movie made from the novel by none other than the great Triveni. She is a great writer. So this movie is based on her novel with the same name, Belli Moda. And also this movie is directed by one of our great directors, Puttanna Kanagal. Also there is another great music director to this. He is Vijay Bhaskar. And none other than the great singer, our own Janaki Ammaji. This is in her voice. This is a beautiful song. Moodala Maneya Muttina Neerina.
ಎಲೆಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೂಗಳ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಮೃತದ ಬಿಂದು ಎಲೆಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೂಗಳ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಮೃತದ ಬಿಂದು ಕಂಡವು ಅಮೃತದ ಬಿಂದು ಯಾರಿರಿಸಿದ ಮುಗಿಲಿನ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇದೆ ತಂದು ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇದೆ ತಂದು ಮುತ್ತಿನ ಎರಕಾವ ಹೊಯ್ದ ನುಣ್ಣನೆ ಎರಕಾವ ಹೊಯ್ದ ಗಿಡಗಂಟಿಗಳ ಕೊರಳೊಳಗಿಂದ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳ ಹಾಡು ಗಿಡಗಂಟಿಗಳ ಕೊರಳೊಳಗಿಂದ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳ ಹಾಡು ಹೊರಟಿತು ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳ ಹಾಡು ಗಂಧರ್ವರ ಸೀಮೆಯಾಯಿತು ಕಾಡಿನ ನಾಡು ಕ್ಷಣದೊಳು ಕಾಡಿನ ನಾಡು ಎರಕಾವ ಹೊಯ್ದ ನುಣ್ಣನೆ ಎರಕಾವ ಹೊಯ್ದ
Very nice, and thank you very much, Rohini ji, for
Thank you,
singing such a nicely this Kannada song on this very auspicious occasion of Rajyotsav Day today. We extend our greetings to all on this very, very auspicious day. Now we are receiving messages continuously. Shobha Bhatt, Goelji, you are really great reading all messages. Okay, at least you have acknowledged me for as a reader for messages. Ravi Sharma, wow. Ravi Menon, great, superb, Lajawab. Ravi Shankar, nice to hear Ravi Menon after a long time. Chitra Divakar, lovely Sunday. Thanks a lot for organizing team. Radha Kannan, great singing Rohini. Ravi Shankar, beautifully explained Rohini. Virendavag, love this song so much. Ravi Menon, goosebumps, love this song. Rohini, you are the best. Vrindavang, scintillating melody. Shobha Bhatt, song from Golden Era. Rajyotsav, it was a huge pleasure listening this melodious song because music has no language. Correct? Vijay Balkrishna, what a song, very beautifully sung. Jayanti Shankar, great choice of song and love this Kannada song. Sheshasi Patsarthi, Modala Mania, wow, lovely song. Ravi Shankar, one of the super hit songs of yesteryears, nice voice. Mathur, lovely selection, beautiful song. Happy Kannada Rajyotsav. Deepak Goel, Kannada cannot be understood, but enjoy song very well. Himlata B, thank you, Rohini and Goel ji for complying with our request. Beautiful Kannada song rendered very well by Rohini. Satish Kulkarni, Kendriya Vidyalaya Jindabad. Rohini ji, you have made us, all of us proud. Jai Karnataka, Savita Sitaram, superb, lovely, great choice, lovely singing. Shekhar V, great song selection for Rajyotsav. Vivek Suvarna, Meera, Sudhendra. So many messages are coming. It's not possible for me to read all of them. Let's go to them. Then I will read the next time. The next song is "Ae Dil Mujhe Bata De." Singer is Geeta Dutt ji. Film Bhai Bhai from it was released in 1956, lyrics Rajendra Krishna ji and music the legend Madan Mohan ji.
ऐ दिल मुझे बता दे तू किस पे आ गया है, वो कौन है जो आके ख्वाबों पे छा गया है। ऐ दिल मुझे बता दे तू किस पे आ गया है, वो कौन है जो आके ख्वाबों पे छा गया है। मस्ती भरा तराना क्यों रात गा रही है, आँखों में नींद आकर क्यों दूर जा रही है। मस्ती भरा तराना क्यों रात गा रही है, आँखों में नींद आकर क्यों दूर जा रही है। दिल में कोई सितमगर अरमां जगा रहा है, वो कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों पे छा गया है। ऐ दिल मुझे बता दे तू किस पे आ गया है, वो कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों पे छा गया है। बेताब हो रहा है ये दिल मचल मचल के, शायद रात बीते करवट बदल बदल के। ला 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 ला। बेताब हो रहा है ये दिल मचल मचल के, शायद रात बीते करवट बदल बदल के। ऐ दिल जरा संभल जा, शायद वो आ गया है, वो कौन है जो आके ख्वाबों पे छा गया है। ऐ दिल मुझे बता दे तू किस पे आ गया है, वो कौन है जो आके ख्वाबों पे छा गया है।
Very nice, very nice. And the next song, I am moving to the next song. I will read the messages afterwards. And the song is Lag Ja Gale, singer Bharat Ratna Lata Mangeshkar ji, film Wo Kaun Thi, which was released in 1964. Lyrics Raja Mehendi Ali Khan Sahab, music Madan Mohan ji.
लग जा गले कि फिर हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म मुलाकात हो न हो। लग जा गले कि फिर हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म मुलाकात हो न हो। लग जा गले
बहुत खूब, one of my most favorite songs. बहुत बढ़िया.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Music was Madan Mohan ji.
The one and only Madan Mohan Saab.
Yes, yes. And we are receiving messages. I will try to read a few. Prema Natraj, good singing. Thanks for Modala Mania. Pandit Resort, Happy Kannada Rajotsav. KN Lakshmipati, amazing coordination by Ravi. Vindavag, wow. Satish Kulkarni, Rohini, great Sunday treat. Enjoying sitting in Pune. Pandit Resort, lovely song. Ravi Sharma, awesome song and singing. Rohini ma'am, Balaji, good song, nice singing. Srinivas Badrinath, well sung, all the best. Your teacher of KVM Badrinath, Shobha Bhatt, Vareva, Srinivas, God bless you, SBN. Avinash Bhargav, wah, wah, kya baat. Rohini ji, ati sundar. Mukta Vashne, lovely singing. Himlata Bhandari, giving a tremendous performance with a great balance of power and energy with control which can captive anyone. Divpal Sharma, beautiful song. Her voice is too good. I am Rohini ji, devotee. Balkrishna ji, happy romantic song, nice treat. Shashi Shekhar, brilliant singing from Rohini. Ravi brings back awesome memories of our evergreen days. Ravi, proud of you. Uma, lovely rendering Rohini. Love you. KVM Jindabad, Vrindavag, evergreen melody. Dipal Sharma, very nice voice. She's too good. Kishan Bangal, so much is coming. Ravi Sharma, Goel Saab and Divpal ji, kudos to you for including the music series every Sunday in your otherwise serious topics, webinars, and giving it an altogether different flavor. Maja aa gaya. Yes, it is a very serious subjects every day, but they are also required in present scenario when we are suffering with this difficult time of COVID. Ravi Menon, bahut khoob Rohini, Wah, Padam, Shri BS, Melodious Rohini, and many more messages. I'm sorry I will not be able to read everyone, but still I will try to read whenever I will get time. Now I'm going to the next song. It is Jaane Kya Tune Kahi. The singer is Geeta Dutt ji. Film Pyasa. Pyasa was released in 1957. Lyrics Sahir Ludhianvi ji, and music director, again a legend, S.D. Burman ji.
जाने क्या तूने कही, जाने क्या मैंने सुनी, बात कुछ बन ही गई। जाने क्या तूने कही, जाने क्या मैंने सुनी, बात कुछ बन ही गई। जाने क्या तूने कही। सनसनाहट सी हुई, थरथराहट सी हुई, सनसनाहट सी हुई, थरथराहट सी हुई। जाग उठे ख्वाब कई, बात कुछ बन ही गई। जाने क्या तूने कही, जाने क्या मैंने सुनी, बात कुछ बन ही गई। जाने क्या तूने नैने झुक झुके उठे, पाँव रुक रुके उठे। नैने झुक झुके उठे, पाँव रुक रुके उठे। आगे चले रहे, बात कुछ बन ही गई। जाने क्या तूने कही, जाने क्या मैंने सुनी, बात कुछ बन ही गई। जाने क्या तूने कही।
Thank you very much. Now only
Thanks, sir.
half an hour left. So
Oh,
we have
yes, sir.
to, because if I will be reading all the messages, we want to hear your songs.
Yes,
And
sir,
I've
I
checked
think
up
you
with the
should just.
studio. I have checked up with the studio. They cannot help because it is
No, sir, it's
as per the Zoom thing. But definitely we'll come take this matter to the Zoom and ask them how we can do it. Now the next song is a duet again. Dil ki
Yes, sir.
ghireh khol do. Singers Lata Mangeshkar and Manna De Ji. Film Raat Aur Din. The film was released in 1967. Lyrics, one and only Shailendra Ji, and music director Shankar Jaikishan.
दिल की गिरह खोल दो, चुप न बैठो, कोई गीत गाओ। दिल की गिरह खोल दो, चुप न बैठो, कोई गीत गाओ। महफिल में अब कौन है अजनबी, तुम मेरे पास आओ। दिल की गिरह खोल दो, चुप न बैठो, कोई गीत गाओ। मिलने दो अब दिल से दिल को, मिटने दो मजबूरियों को। शीशे में अपनी डुबो दो, सब फासलों दूरियों को। आँखों में मैं मुस्कुराऊं, तुम्हारी जो तुम मुस्कुराओ। महफिल में अब कौन है अजनबी, तुम मेरे पास आओ। दिल की गिरह खोल दो, चुप न बैठो, कोई गीत गाओ।
हम तुम रहे अब, कुछ और ही हो गए अब। अपनों की झिलमिल नगर में जाने कहाँ खो गए अब। हम राह पूछे किसी से, न तुम अपनी मंजिल बताओ।
महफिल में अब कौन है अजनबी, तुम मेरे पास आओ। दिल की गिरह खोल दो, चुप न बैठो, कोई गीत गाओ। कल हमसे पूछे जो कोई, क्या हो गया था तुम्हें कल।
मुड़कर नहीं देखते हम, दिल ने कहा है चला चल।
जो दूर पीछे कहीं रह गए, अब उन्हें मत बुलाओ। महफिल में अब कौन है अजनबी, तुम मेरे पास आओ।
दिल की गिरह खोल दो, चुप न बैठो, कोई गीत गाओ।
Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much.
Ravi.
Thank you, Ravi, Menon ji, and Rohini ji. Our message, one Mr. Kishan Bangle has sent in. It is in Kannada. I'm really sorry. I can't read it, but definitely it will be passed to Rohini ji. She can. Dipal Sharma, Lal Goel, you really got very nice singer, beautiful voice. I'm very much impressed with her voice. She's too good. Vrindavag, Ravi ji, छोटों को चरण स्पर्श नहीं करते. Himlata Bandari ji, you have enough potential with voice control as a great performer. Depicting, so many messages are coming continuously. Depicting the song too well. Balaji, beautiful song, great singing. Ravi Menon, we should have all and all Rohini radio, don't you think? वृंदावाग सुपर, मुक्ता वर्ष ने ओल्ड सॉन्ग की बात ही और है. रोहिणी मैम बात बन ही गई. के लक्ष्मीपति, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर लवली सिंगिंग एंड सॉन्ग्स. वृंदावाग वाह वाह वाह. रवि शर्मा सुपर. दीपाल शर्मा वाह, what a voice, she's singing very nicely. Vrindavag, Ravi Menon ji,
Thank you all.
you must also give us a musical treat here some Sunday. My request, Ravi Sharma, Dipal Bhai Sahab, all credit goes to you. So lucky you got me in here. I know for sure whatsoever this series will be, looked back on it, will find that I was the first one. So fortunate. Yes, you were the first, Mr. Ravi Sharma. Shobha Bhatt again send the emojis. Kishan Bangle, fantastic song as well as nice singing. Vrindavag, yes, Ravi ji, you created history. Padmajaba, again emoji. Balaji, good song, nice singing. Both Kishan Bangle, Hemlata Bandari ji, your singing is really brilliant and lively, having the potential. I can't read, it's coming so fast. So I'm moving to the next song.
Thanks, everyone. Thanks, everyone.
Okay, so the next song is Rehna Biti Jaye. Singer, as we all know, our legend Lata Mangeshkar ji. Film Amar Prem, which was released in 1972. Lyrics Anand Bakshi ji, and music director one and only one R.D. Burman. Very nice. And what was the movie? Amar Prem and Rajesh Khanna ji and Sharmila Tagore. Unforgettable acting, what they did at that time. Now, next song is In Aankhon Ki Masti. Singer is Asha Bhosle ji. Film Umrao Jaan, which was released in 1981. Lyrics Shahriyar Sahab and music by Muhammad Jahur and Khayyam Sahab.
इन आँखों की मस्ती के इन आँखों की मस्ती के मस्ताने हजारों हैं। इन आँखों की मस्ती के हजारों हैं। इन आँखों से वाबस्ता अफसाने हजारों हैं। अफसाने हजारों हैं। इन आँखों की मस्ती के एक तुम ही नहीं तन्हा एक तुम ही नहीं तन्हा उल्फत में मेरे रुसवा उल्फत में मेरे रुसवा इस शहर में तुम जैसे इस शहर में तुम जैसे दीवाने हजारों हैं। दीवाने हजारों हैं। इन आँखों की मस्ती के मस्ताने हजारों हैं। इन आँखों की मस्ती एक सिर्फ हमें मैं को एक सिर्फ हमें एक सिर्फ हमें मैं को आँखों से पिलाते हैं। आँखों से पिलाते हैं। कहने को तो दुनिया में कहने को तो दुनिया में मैं खाने हजारों हैं। मैं खाने हजारों हैं। इन आँखों की मस्ती के मस्ताने हजारों हैं। इन आँखों की मस्ती के इस शम्मे इस शम्मे फरोजा को आंधी से डराते हो, आंधी से डराते हो। इस शम्मे फरोजा के, इस शम्मे फरोजा के परवाने हजारों हैं, परवाने हजारों हैं। इन आँखों की मस्ती के मस्ताने हजारों हैं। इन आँखों से वाबस्ता अफसाने हजारों हैं, अफसाने हजारों हैं। इन आँखों की मस्ती के।
बहुत बहुत खूब, बहुत बढ़िया. And this movie Umrao Jan and the acting of Rekha ji, unforgettable.
Thank
And
you,
now the
sir.
next
Thank you.
next song is Babuji Dheere Chalna. Singer is Geeta Dutt ji. Film Aar Pyar, which was released in 1954. Lyrics Majroo Sultanpuri ji and music director O.P. Nayyar sahab.
बाबूजी धीरे चलना, प्यार में जरा संभलना। हाँ बड़े धोखे हैं, बड़े धोखे हैं इस राह में। बाबूजी धीरे चलना, प्यार में जरा संभलना। हाँ बड़े धोखे हैं, बड़े धोखे हैं इस राह में। बाबूजी धीरे चलना। क्यों हो खोए हुए सर झुकाए, देते जाते हो सब कुछ लुटाए। ये तो बाबूजी पहला कदम है, नजर आते हैं अपने पराए। हाँ बड़े धोखे हैं, बड़े धोखे हैं इस राह में। बाबूजी धीरे चलना, प्यार में जरा संभलना। हाँ बड़े धोखे हैं, बड़े धोखे हैं इस राह में। बाबूजी धीरे चलना। हो गई है किसी से जो अनबन, थाम ले दूसरा कोई दामन। जिंदगानी की राहें अजब है, हो के लाखों लाखों हैं दुश्मन। हाँ बड़े धोखे हैं, बड़े धोखे हैं इस राह में। बाबूजी धीरे चलना, प्यार में जरा संभलना। हाँ बड़े धोखे हैं, बड़े धोखे हैं इस राह में। बाबूजी धीरे चलना।
धीरे धीरे भी अगर चलेंगे तो टाइम पास हो जाएगा, टाइम बहुत कम है. तो आई एम मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग, बोल रे पपीहा. Singer is Vani Jairam ji. Film Guddi, it was released in 1971 of Jaya Bahaduri. If I'm not mistaken, it was the first movie of Jaya Bahaduri ji. Lyrics Guljar Sahab and music director Vasant Desai ji.
बोल रे पपीहरा पपीहरा, बोल रे पपीहरा पपीहरा। नित घन बरसे नित मन प्यासा, नित मन प्यासा।
Very nice. And now
Thank you,
the
sir. Thank
last song, because the time is essence. And that last song is जाइए आप कहाँ जाएंगे, and singer is Asha Bhosle ji. Film Mere Sanam. And it was released in 1965. Lyrics Majroo Sultanpuri ji, and music director O.P. Nayyar. We are receiving lots of requests for this different songs. So we will take it sometime next, definitely. We'll call Rohini ji again. And one thing I would like to tell Rohini ji, for the first time in our shows, maximum messages we have received. I can't read the messages. It is moving so fast, I can't even read.
Thank you, sir. Thanks to everyone. Thanks for all your love and support, and thank you,
Yes.
sir, for this opportunity. So the last song for the evening, before that, for the morning, it's always, we are so used to evening. So thanks to one and all for this lovely program. I'm sure all of you have enjoyed, and looking forward to meeting you all, and looking forward to meeting you all again sometime in a live show too.
Sure, sure.
जाइए आप कहाँ जाएंगे, ये नजर लौट के फिर आएगी, ये नजर लौट
ha ha ha.
थैंक यू वेरी मच। और हम आपको नहीं कहीं जाने देंगे, लेकिन अब हमें जाना ही पड़ेगा। वी हैव टू लीव बिकॉज द टाइम इज देयर। यू आर रियली अ
Yes.
very very versatile singer. We were feeling that you, because you sang almost all the legends female singer songs, and we were feeling that we are hearing them originally. I'm
Thank
sure
you,
my
sir.
viewers will definitely enjoy today's program. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much, sir.
And
Thank you.
today's program you have seen, which is live telecasted by V4 News, Global TV, V4 Stream, Malnadu TV, Abaka TV, News Gaon Se, Samvad Sarocar News, as well as it was shown live on Facebook and YouTube. And our endeavor is to talk seriously every day from tomorrow. And tomorrow our topic is media conference with Lal Goyal. Thus, Indus Valley heritage belongs to Hindus, part 2, because you have already seen the part 1. And this time my guest is, which was earlier also, Dr. Puneet Gupta, MBBS, MD, DNB, DM, founder, MD, spirituallogy.com, and Puneet, codeindus.com, New Delhi. So please tune in tomorrow at with media conference with Lal Goyal at 10:30 a.m. Thank you very much, Miss Rohini Prabhu ji,
Thank
for
you, sir. Thank you
giving
so
us
much.
such a musical Sunday to us. Thank you very much. Thank you.